Mount England game na chance ya.
Yeah.
Obana go ni biabana.
England are back on. Wow. Surprise. Elan 2 ni Ababa you are very pretty. Lauren James, Rich James, the sister, no. Okay, so on your red card after or 1 year the ordinary 9 Ekotia Alozie Michelle no, of Nigeria, and he's still suspended. But England, Australia, listen, one of the hottest game in the competition season. See, but it's very hot, and it's because Mary Fowler, and Sam Kerr, they play for Chelsea and City. They are strikers for the teams in England. So they are here. So O'Shea Cadley fought for instance, a left winger for them, and also bought for Arsenal. And these are apart from Spencer. They are players, English players, so they play at the top level. So in but England lady Nelan Tunwa Wachrese Sarina Wagner coach ne Sebiu confidence GDS from Cornimo. Tama Laurie James, any red card against Alozie, or didn't be shame no Ayejuma. And this is a crucial move. We shall go semi-final, not qualifier. Maza, easy, even though the final is there. So it's interesting. But your just to start. Now, me start with boxing. Teddy Atlas, or ESPN, or a top boxing pundit, and then or a former trainer. In fact, or started training with Kus Diamato. Kus Diamato, one of the finest trainers or the Peekaboo, me born I'm a trainer, but not yes. So it's a strategy that he presented, boxing strategy. On the producer Mike Tyson, new one Mike Tyson and ye because on no quantity discipline Mike Tyson about the rough Tyson also a ghetto boy, said your breath for bar or free ghetto. Anti no sebiu in Colaboni a bedding Colaboni to a horse several times. Oh, there's here. But Papa we na a fan no otimi a discipline no man any down. And so Teddy Atlas echo as a boxer, but I'm far and obey a deputy trainer for him. Now deputy trainer for Kus Diamato and at the age of 15 Mike Tyson any nunya kasakasa did not attempt. And on the buffet, so he decided to quit as a deputy trainer for Kus Diamato and obey Michael Mora, former WWF heavyweight champion Michael Mora, which Michael Mora and the Holy Focal twice or winning one, losing back on George Foreman winning one, losing back on. Then he came to Timothy Bradley. Okay, Timothy Bradley, Manny Pacquiao 3 times. Manny winning twice, Timothy Bradley winning 1. Yeah, so he became a trainer for Timothy Bradley as well. But what can't say, Mami can't asema or can't quote no. That is it. Now, I can say Anthony Joshua or your overrated boxer. That legend Mike Tyson criticized not be overrated. Teddy Atlas, Anthony Joshua is overrated. Fine, that's okay. And Oka say Sebiu or British fans no chose Omo Facha no say Obek Opoma sem nemum Anthony Joshua Onyadie. This was after Hellenius about Onyadie.
And also Anthony Joshua Onyadie.
Anthony Joshua Onyadie only be Oyadie or born as a boxer. But you see, sometimes the American pundits, I disagree with him. Now, Anthony Joshua, the next opponent, Bekun likely, says Shelley Finkel, manager for Dento Wilder, any Eddie Hen, Omo matchroom promoter, promoter for AJ, Omo Kenya, January, Saudi Arabia, about Mebaso. Now, the reason why I say that there's Sebi hypocrisy in what he's saying, and it's not even factual, and I'll debate anybody on that, is that. So who AJ say or you're top notch? He's not. AJ, sorry, Dento Wilder is not a top notch boxer.
On your top notch?
No.
About
you see, in boxing, to classify or be so a top boxer, I saw to me boo the time no omo ya deal on the time. It's very important you establish that. And no never establish you as a top guy or a prime boxer. And to Muhammad Ali. Or lose it to Joe Fraser, or Joe Fraser twice after that.
Yes.
Every boxer, no matter how good you are, you lose anyway. For more than one lose, you lose anyway. But lose you say, prime, no be the best in your prime. So Ali lost to Ken Norton, lost to Joe Fraser, but Ali George Foreman.
Yes.
Now don't forget, someone you a good medal. I gotta say, Olympic medalist Sebi Omunye fun in boxing. They are the best and successful. Ali a good medalist. George Foreman a good medalist. Jeffrey is a good medalist. So if you say that the Ntowada better, no way are born. The Ntowada one on Naku. Bermani Steveni or a boxer. Luis Ortiz or a boxer. Eric Molina a boxer. Or no any trainer Mali Scott or a boxer. They are average and below par. Omunye established quality boxers. But no, the first time Osha will be credible was when he met Tyson Fury. First one split draw. Second one 10 knockout round 7. Tyson Fury bunu. Third one 10 knockout round 11. Tyson Fury bunu.
Yes.
And on what base do you think, sir? Anthony Joshua fought one of the most quality boxers in boxing history, in Vladimir Klitschko. That bout, a defining bout for Anthony Joshua. Now, Anthony Joshua has already won against Richard Martin, IBF heavyweight champion, winning 2016, after winning Olympic gold medal against Cameronelli at Olympics London 2012. But Anthony Joshua, that bout here, Klitschko bout, one of the most interesting bouts you have, because Klitschko knocked Anthony Joshua down round 5. Anthony Joshua knocked Klitschko down round 6, and then won TKO round 11. Now Klitschko is one of the Hall of Fame boxer. Klitschko, very good boxer. Compare Klitschko, you can't compare Ntowada to Klitschko.
Yeah, man.
Good. So, yes, in any why na and what me abu a prime boxer as world champion between AJ and Ntowada. AJ.
Yes.
Yeah. AJ bu Joseph Parker AJ world WBO title Joseph Parker no or they say Wilder na mean fanon to Vladimir Klitschko. So first of all, sir, asem na kan enya no kra. Ye kaso obi abompa Nyobu Robert Hillenius or one or ye did this or no a champion. Maybe or share Mike Tyson Fury and Fa. The truth about AJ's problem, like we can say boxer be a Luzi. Only Jeremy Lakako Kwayedi and the Riz by Saturday no it own at appropriate time or we do own dynamics. I want you to wait me Luzi. Or call Luzi to and the Riz 10 knock around 7 or Babe rematch. We need by anymore. But AJ problem they say on call through situation say wa Luzia twice that. There's Tyson Fury versus Ntowada. And the AJ after losing to Usyk Alexander twice no. I ain't see one abrabo mudano. On say or lucky confidence.
Yes.
AJ problem I don't know. So he's changed trainers. Robert Garcia that was Usyk and Usyk Alexander 2. Robert Anfa. Then Okafa Derek James, another trainer. Or Sakini trainer Robert Macricon because Felice Onyadie. The confidence level now of AJ of because of conservative losses no. When you Onyadie confidence only GD on the mubium.
Alo lose to us on ama.
And see that. Nevim no swati and Aquano so bonus. Second one okay name was bono pa. And so he need a trainer who will bring the best out of him. But I don't say Sebi Okoshia Ntowada Brusu or Brusu Bia. AJ is better than Ntowada. And I'm talking about the records available based on performances. When Nipa Bakwan ye papa that's free. It was saying. Oluzie. So I disagree. And this sometimes this American analysts they keep on doing that thing. That every American boxer is superior to it's not true. Because Ntowada so far, if you want to even stick to that, the last undisputed boxing champion was Lennox Lewis. An American, a British.
Yeah.
What do you say? And then Tyson Fury a British. And oba krom ebe bu gwa poto. So how can this boxer be an A boxer against Anthony Joshua?
Yeah.
Because they be assembly Cynthia. So they say, I'm more kind of crunchy, but some of us will not take this things lying there. Now, me call Lewis Hamilton. Now, Lewis Hamilton problem no. Toto Wolff, I Mercedes Benz said, Ebion share Zandvoort, I Dutch Grand Prix Bus 25th to 27th of August. We said on bet me as a contract yourself. As we speak today, only contract with Mercedes. Ebeu this year. This is
Ebeu this year.
Yeah, this is.
Oh.
Ebeu before Ombe call Abu Dhabi.
Oh, okay.
Now on some dry contract for 2 years. For 2 years now problem now say or Phyllis say Louis the Phyllis say or 5 more years. Now 38 years. 5 more years, Nibeko 43. And to say for 5 more years, the almost man of 5 years contract, 40 million pounds a month. Plus 25 million pounds for 10 years as an ambassador for Mercedes.
I don't remember. Conrad knows 5 years. I send for a month.
But now he earns 40 million pounds. Sorry, a year.
A year.
Yeah, 40 million pounds a year. Sorry.
A year.
40 million pounds a year, sorry. 40 million pounds a year. But I'm only 5 years. And I'm saying, I say, Bono confirm. They can't commit to that risk. And at 25 million for 10 years, no. That's incredible. Baby, I'm talking what be saying. Now, Ebasano, Ferrari for John Elkham, the president of Ferrari, and in a secret meeting. But the captain said, out of respect, no share, but any other call race a Ferrari. That John Elkham. Ferrari, because Ferrari, no, say almost problems here and say after 2007, Ferrari winning World Championship. Kimi Raikkonen, Eddie Ferrari winning, winning besi ene. Enti, oma ya se ombenya ubia odimo or yadie to replace Kimi Raikkonen. But besi ene, enye adia etimia ye. So what watch here? This season, last season, Charles Leclerc, Carlos Sainz, and fa. This year, Osha, Red Bull, Mercedes, Enna, Unipa, Aston Martin, and Fernando Alonso. These three, they are doing better than Ferrari or more good car. So Ferrari president Koshia Luis Ujamjai, he promised 80 million pounds a year. Say on G number for Ferrari. He's turning it down.
80 million pounds
a year to come and drive for Ferrari. We're turning it down because 80 million pounds. We're turning it down because you see, where who say Lewis Hamilton be doing where who say one car no kasa enyadie Ferrari car enyadie. Oh there. Say enyadie dia. Why should I come there? Because baby I made do me nyisu me yaka enyadie. And I'm winning 6 world titles with Mercedes. Why would I leave a comfort place like that? Yeah, Gigi Mesuna ma kobe fufu. And they still no or train contract na ebeba enyambae or Mercedes. But aircon, we say Apano say or best signing before that's next week before Meko Zandorf. The challenge is that say Oma nye we car nakasons or problems. Oma kospeko Monaco and fast still. So he's still waiting to that date. That's next 2 weeks to find out whether Wolf bedina dem basem be asemana. Say ambassador maybe or best start I consider Red Bull force akohuno. Christian Horner because of Sergio Perez. Onyadie Max Nkwan Eyadie Sergio Perez. Who's Sergio Perez? Only 2 races per out of 12. Max are winning 10, which is bad performance. So because of that, now the challenge is that Sergio Perez almost show no exit, but they want somebody to come and compete. There are more two drivers. So you need one driver so they push back on Onyadie. So they say now they've had that in Max Weber in 2010, 2000 up to 2013. They have that. And Sebastian Vettel. Now they are having wonderful driver in Max Verstappen, but almost nini Paul pushing. Max standing Modimbo and Perez. Though they are saying, can we pair Lewis Hamilton with Max? Now Max encore. Sebastian Lewis Hamilton ba Max Obejayako. Adesu or call third consecutive or cruising third this year win the third title. Yama kwekwa Louis ba Louis Finu was way they know him. Where are there? Why do we rock the boat? These are all the very dynamics that happens this year.
Mate, about Georgia, everybody have a toss. Interesting part.